how epigenetics works in the body in 60 seconds. Ever feel like you're at the mercy of your own genes? Think again. Epigenetics is here to shake things up. Imagine your DNA as a script. It's all written out. But epigenetics is the editor, making changes based on your life choices. What you eat, how you sleep, and your environment can influence your genetic expression and how genes turn on or turn off. It's how you can influence your health and well-being without rewriting your DNA. So next time you choose a healthy snack or take a deep breath, remember, you are rewriting your genetic story. And it's going to be a bestseller. This means you have the power to shape your health and even impact your future kids' health or your children's health. So why not start making those